Hello, let's see the next set. Seven programmers Tom, Uma, Victor, Will, Xavier, Yana, and Zach must be assigned to two projects, four to project 1 and 3 to project 2, subject to the following conditions. Okay, the questions are which of the following could be an acceptable team assigned to project 1? If Will and Xavier are assigned to the same project, then which of the following must be true? If Uma and Xavier are assigned to project 1, then which of the following pairs must be together? If Victor is assigned to project 1, which of the following must be a correct assignment? If Zach is assigned to project 2, then which of the following must be true? Okay, let's start. The conditions are Uma and Victor must be in different projects. Okay, so Uma and Victor, sorry, Victor is V. They cannot be together. If Zach is assigned to project 2, then Will must also be in project 2. If Tom is assigned to project 2, then Uma must be in project 1. Yana has to be in project 1. And we know that in project 1 there are 4 people. In project 2 there are 3 people. In the first project, Yana has to be there. Okay? First question, which of the following could be an acceptable team assigned to project 1? So remember, in project 1, Yana has to be there. Let's just quickly check any options which does not have Yana. No, all options have Yana. Okay. Now, Uma and Victor cannot be in the same one. So let's check for Uma and Victor. No, none of the conditions have Uma and Victor together. Okay. Now, if Tom is assigned to project 2, Uma must be in project 1. So Tom and Uma also cannot be in the same one. So let's check if Tom is assigned to project 2. Anywhere where Tom is not there. In the fourth one, we can see that Tom is not there and this is project 1. So if Tom is in project 2, which means that Uma has to be in project 1, but we cannot see Uma's name in option number 4. So this is eliminated. Yeah. Now, let's see if Zach is assigned to project 2. Let's check for Zach's name not being there. In the second option, Zach's name is not there, which means Zach is in project 2. So Will also should be in project number 2, but his name is written in project number 1. So this one is eliminated. Now between 1 and 3, Yana is there. Zach is in 1, which means that Will could be anywhere. But in the first one, if we see, Xavier is there and Tom is there. Either of Uma or Victor has to be over here because they cannot be in the same project. So this is also eliminated. Answer would be option number 3. Question 2. If Will and Xavier are assigned to the same project, then which of the following must be true? Okay, Will and Xavier being assigned to the same project. Let me assign them to project 1 and check. Yana is already there. I put Will here. I put Xavier here. I'll have to put Uma or Victor over here. Victor or Uma over here. Now in second one, I'm left with Zach. But if I place Zach in project 2, then I'll have to place Will over here. So Zach can't be over here, which means this is not valid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I'll have to place Will and Xavier in project number 2. And Uma and Victor could be here. Victor, Uma could be here. And Yana is already here, which means Zach is also here. Tom is also here. Okay. Which of the following must be true? Victor is in project 2. We don't know. He could be in 1 or 2. Zach is in project 2. No, he's in project 1. Tom is in project 1. Yes. Xavier is in project 1. No, Xavier is in project 2. Third question. If Uma and Xavier are assigned to the project 1. Okay. Yana is there. Uma is there. Xavier is there. Which means the second one will have Victor. Then which of the following pairs must be together? Okay. Let's just try to place Zach first. If I place Zach over here, Will go here and Tom will be here. The other possibility would be YUX V. I place Tom over here, which means Uma is in project 1, okay, which is already a given, and I place Zach over here and Will over here. Because it says if Zach is assigned to project 2, then Will must be in project 2, otherwise anything is alright. Okay, let's see which of the following pairs must be together, Zach and Will. In the first option, in the first arrangement, Zach and Will are together, but in the second one, they are not. So, must word does not suit here. Zach and Tom. In the first one, Zach and Tom are not together. In the second one also, Zach and Tom are not together. Third one, Victor and Will. In the first one, Victor and Will are together. In the second one also, Victor and Will are together. So, this is the answer. Just for checking, Tom and Uma. In the first one, Tom and Uma are together, but in the second one, Tom and Uma are not together. So, answer is option number 3. Now, question number 4. If Victor is assigned to project 1, which of the following must be a correct designation? Victor is assigned to project 1, which means Uma is here, right? And if Uma is in project 2, which means that Tom. If Tom is assigned to project 2, then Uma must be assigned to project 1. And we know that Uma is in project 2, which means Tom has to be in project 1. Okay, let's just quickly check and place the other people. Uma is here, Victor is here, Yana is here. So now we have Xavier, Zach and Will left. One possibility could be I put Zach here, Will here, Xavier here. The other possibility could be I put Zach here, which means Xavier and Will be over here. Okay, let's just check the options. Tom 1, yeah, Tom is in 1. Will is in 2. Yes, Will is in 2 only. Just checking the other one also. Zach in 1, Xavier in 2. Yeah, it is one of the correct possibilities, but it can also be opposite because we have 2 different scenarios available. Uma in 1 is not possible. Xavier in 1 and Tom in 2. Xavier in 1, Tom in 2, no. Xavier and Tom are in 1 only, or else Tom is in 1 and Xavier is in 2. So this is not possible. Only 1 and 2 are correct, but it says which of the following must be. The word must is important here. So Tom is definitely in 1 in both of the cases, and Will is definitely in 2 in both of the cases. Hence, option number 1 is the correct answer. Fifth question. If Zach is assigned to project 2, which means Will is here, this will be occupied by Uma or Victor. This will be Victor or Uma, which means Tom is in project 1. And the last one is X. Okay. Which of the following must be true? Victor is in project 2. We don't know that. Could be in project 1. Uma is in project 2. We don't know that. Uma is in project 1. No, this is definitely false because and Xavier is in project 1. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah, coming back to the third option, this is false because Uma is in project 1. She could be in project 1, or else she could also be in project 2 for that matter. But if you look at this statement, if Tom is assigned to project 2, Uma must be assigned to project 1. Please remember that the vice versa is not true. That if she is in project 1, it does not mean that Tom is in project 2 only. Okay? Because right now we can have Uma and Tom both in project 1 also. Only if Tom is assigned to project 2, then Uma has to be in project 1. Let's check our answers. 3, 3, 3, 1 and 4. 3, 3, 3, 1 and 4. 3, 3, 3, 1 and 4. Correct. Thanks for watching.